Morning. Hello. Good morning, Mr. Pips. Good morning, Carrie. Good morning, Vis. Good morning, Cal. Good morning, Satrada. Good morning, Natix. Good morning, Wraith. Good morning, Lamb, Thomas. So hey, Alphas. LL. Morning, everyone. Hey, how's your weekend? Good? We got some big news this weekend. Did you guys check in? The Trump gunshot thing? Yeah, I'm good. I don't know if it's gonna affect the market today or this week. I mean, the president don't get gunshot issue every day, right? So this kind of thing is huge. I just feel like probably got some influence to the market. All right, let me see. So let's check the economic calendar for this week. So fake. I'm not so sure, man. I didn't read the entire news. I just read the headlines. We got FOMC press conference on Wednesday, and then some bullshit high impact news on Thursday. Ooh. So no news today. Happy Monday, everyone. Monday is not that happy, to be honest. For me, only Friday is happy. We got huge Asia session today, and also we created a new all-time high too. How many points is that? Around 200, right? Around 200 points. Usually when we got something like this in Asia, we don't trade London, but since we're on live stream, I will see what I can get from here. Still Sunday for you? Where you come from? Man, this is like... all-time high is just so hard to chase. For real. Consolidate. Okay, so... no idea. No idea. I didn't see anything here right now. Nothing. No bias. Yeah, I'm gonna check for your votes. Bias for London session: 50% bullish, 44% bearish, 20% neutral. So that's like everyone's different, right? We did get a smooth high here, but like I don't think we can reach to this liquidity pool in this London session. Just wait and see, right? Also on yes, right? It's pretty much the same. And what hit? Yes. And what hit? So today I will trade Tradify accounts. I'm not gonna trade the Lucid because I already get the target I need for my max payout cap on Lucid account. So I just have to trade 2 more profit day, which is 250 each. So I'm gonna trade flip MNQ with that 250. So there will be no risk at all. You don't have to risk anything. I mean, it's hard for you to blow up your account when you're flipping MNQ, right? I mean, you have to, I don't know, the market have to be on the opposite direction for, I don't know, 500 points to blow up with MNQ. So after 2 days, I'll get another 15,000 payout from Lucid. So today we trade Tradify. Maybe I'll blow up, who knows, right? Looks to be headed to 380 US here, right? Yeah, possible. Okay, so this BC, 1 hour BC, right now it's IFG. Is it becoming inversion? Do we get anything new this weekend? Let me take a look. I didn't even check on social media at all. You know, I only got the news from like Wall Street Journals or Bloomberg. Can you explain the long confirmation entry? Well, I'm not in any position. What is the long confirmation entry here? I didn't entry, I didn't see anything. I'm just scrolling Twitter right now. Why so many people posting their Rolex, their AP, their PP with charts? Why is that? You mean what is the confirmation to enter long? So basically, you want me to teach you how to trade, right? Is that what you mean? Yes, Mr. S. Shake, you're right. No education here. Lambo, you're right. Are you buying the dip? No. Well, honestly, I don't have any bias right now. I mean, this area is kind of hard to tell. I didn't see anything. I mean, we're in a 1 hour FVG and what, right? And also 50% of the range. We got both the liquid pool, up here, all right, the all-time high with this, which is a relative equal high, and also we got the Asia low and these and these. So no, I didn't see anything at the moment. And we've already got another consolidation session today. So if you remember last week, we got a same Asia expansion like this, and then London was like not moving at all, right? I just feel like today probably will like that. If today's not consolidating, then yeah, we can look for some trades for sure. I mean, I need to change my trade file account too, right? But if we just keep chopping like Barcode, I mean, even random trades, I can't take it. Good morning, five handles. Feel like we got a boring session waiting for us. We need to do other things. I gotta think of something else. How was my weekend? Great. But it's so hot here, Let me take a look. It's 34 degrees right now here. 34 degrees Celsius here. So fucking hot. I mean, right now, I can't even walk to the gym. It's 10 minutes walk, but it just so hot. And the sunlight here is like, it's crazy. Dubai was a desert. So you can imagine how hot it is. But I came here in last August, so it was 45 degrees Celsius at that time. Brutally hot. But I like summer. That's why I just want to live in somewhere is hotter than Hong Kong, like Singapore or Dubai or Malaysia. I mean, I can go to like North America, like Canada, because I did think of like, should I move to Canada? But like the winter there is like, that's crazy. No, I can't. I mean, here all you have to do is turn on the aircon. And almost everything, like there's a lot of activities you can do indoor. So no big deal. Character tests are crazy. Yes. Like everywhere. It's a tests crazy everywhere. Read in short, you're sorting right now? Why? Still need to break the 1 hour average. Yeah, but this is huge. It's like 100 points, 50 points, 50 to 60 points. Relatively huge in London session. Nothing yet, nothing. You know, yesterday I checked on those other prop firms. Like I want to see if there's any other prop firm I can trade, like the rules, their payout caps, everything. But I just can't find one that is good enough for me to trade. I don't understand why are they. I didn't even look at the price. Like price isn't the most important thing for me, but the rules. But their rules are all sucks. I don't understand why are they doing this. I want to trade with them, but everyone got crazy rules. I mean, I know the prop firms want to take money from us. I know that. We both agree with that, but it's just too obvious. The rules are too strict. It's just simply telling me that after you buy my accounts, you will blow up. It literally is just telling me that way. So I can't find any prop firms I want to trade with right now. This one prop firm is okay. It's new, but like they didn't have trader rate yet. So I won't wait until they got trader rate. No, I don't like Fundamental. I tried it. I am so sure. I've been trading with Fundamental since 2023. They didn't even got futures prop at that time. I was trading them with forex, and then after they got futures prop, I trade with the futures prop, but like no more. I don't like them. Why don't trade gold? Because I exclusively trade NQ right now. And I did trade a lot of other assets before, like Euro USD, GBP USD, oil, gold, silver, and like a lot of other things too. And also ES, right? Right now I exclusively trade one asset. You can be an expertise when you focus on one asset, one instrument. As a developing trader, what does that mean? Like, are you new to trading, or are you new to prop firms? Oh my god, I'm so boring right now. I know we just start for 20 minutes, but like, come on, give me something. Rockchi just say, do trade one account before you 2 to 5x your losses potential. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I mean, what's the standard to differentiate? You should like trade more or trade one, right? Well, if you trade before, I mean, you're not like, this is the first day I get into trading space, or this is the first day, this is my first perform account. Okay, if you like that, then yes, trade one account. But if not, you should just maximize everything. You should take advantage of the leverage here. Because there's no such thing as ready. I mean, when you want to be like ready to trade more accounts, but no, you can't. You will never waiting. You never got that day. You just feel like I'm not good enough. I'm not ready yet. Like, what's the standard to decide that, right? If you can afford those accounts, then why not just mess out on each platform? But it's like, if like this is so important to you, those money, like you get financial burden, then you should just trade one account. Because everyone is different. I don't know what's your family background. Maybe you're fucking rich, right? Or maybe you're not fucking rich, but you can afford these accounts. Then why not just trade more? You want to get rich at what? 80 years old? 50 years old? At that time, there's no more platform. Should I post something on my Instagram? I mean, I'm not even operating the Instagram. Should I post something? I don't know what should I post. Like, compared to Twitter, compared to X, it got less. I heard that it got less hate and negativity there. Like, what should I post? My rich lifestyle. No, I don't have rich lifestyle. Well, for real, I mean, I dress like homeless in my daily lives. For real. Like, even back in Hong Kong, I only wear like hoodies. But here it's too hard to wear hoodies. So just plain tee. I didn't even wear watches, like fine watch. I just wear the whoop. Post daily vlog. Let me think about that. Post a picture of you with Lambo. I mean, you can rent a Lambo. That is like, I can literally rent a sports car. There's so many sports cars in JBL, so I can just pay for that. Rent it for one day and take a lot of pictures. Too many rich people in Hong Kong? Yeah, of course. Post some LV handbags. No, I don't like LV. I got some Chanel's, but like, you know, last time I had to the gym and like I was training with my trainer, and a girl put her like latest Chanel model, like the 25 bag, on the floor. I mean, it's gym. I mean, it's not like normal floor. It's gym floor, so it's fucking dirty. And she just put the bag there. That at that time I know, okay, I'm not gonna buy this bag. That is not something I want. Post trading station setup. I posted on Twitter, but I didn't. I need to make it look like fancy, right? You gotta add some lights, or I don't know. That girl must be new money. Isn't it the opposite, right? Because it's like she's old money, so that's why she did that. I thought. But that is the latest model, not, you know, I've been using this bag for quite a long time, so I can just put it anywhere. It's the nearest. Old money people have respect. Oh, really? What are your thoughts on who is that guy? I don't even know. I have no idea. I never heard about that. Maybe you show me a picture. I will remember that. Like sometimes I can't remember those names. Old money people repair their clothes. Oh, really? I'm not old money, so I don't know. Maybe it's a fake one. I don't know. I guess, really? But like people in Dubai is rich. And that gym is expensive, so I assume those people won't use a fake. Ray, are you still in your short? How much you pay for a gym? Let me take a look. It's only for personal training lesson, so it's not like those normal gym you can just get in and do your own thing. It's only for taking lessons with the PT. $200, that is impossible. That is fucking expensive here. So it's around $170 US dollars for each lesson. Yeah, I can just calculate. $170 each lesson, US dollars. But it's really good. I mean, I've been taking these PT lessons in Hong Kong, back in Hong Kong, with half the price or maybe 1/3 of this price. But those are not. Oh my God. 174 PT lesson you met. Oh, your shot is coming. This shot is paying out nicely. Hope so. I hope you get your profit. You know, in Hong Kong, I tried 7 different personal trainers. So I know like how professional that guy is, or that girl is. So compared to all these things, I just feel like this $170 is worth it. Sweep the low already? You mean this low? But we're like still inside the upper part, like of the annual, also the 1 hour average. I didn't see anything yet. Do you guys want to short? Man, like. No, just forget about it. No. I don't like shorting in the middle of the range. Your PT years ago should have moved to Dubai. Well, if you're professional enough, you can get into that gym. I mean, if it's just like normal gym for like, for example, like Fitness First, something like that, and those are a lot cheaper. Those are pretty much half of this price. Do you follow only ICT? What do you mean, follow? No, I was like measuring, is it worth it? Because it's like 30 points to here. But for my stop, I need to use 20 points. So, just no. I hope you guys don't get bored. But today's gonna be a boring session. I mean, after this huge expansion, you can't expect something like this again in London. I think I should just have my breakfast while live streaming. Let me get some fruit. Really? You mean the broker websites? Oh, you mean those CFD, right? CFD brokers? Well, 62%, that is a lot lower than before. You know, when I was trading CFD, which is like, I think, 2021, 2022, that time was like 90%. 90% of people were losing money. So why does it change? People are getting better on trading? All right, we got a bearish candle. Just dip into the consequent erosion of this annual. But you know what? Every time I said consequence erosion, that was so funny because because we all know that it's just the midpoint of that thing. Could turn into bullish average. What do you mean? This one? What is this stands for? Here with this wick, under this wick. If I cannot get any chase during the live stream, can I take a chase after the stream? I just feel like we can't get anything here. But like even if I take a chase after the stream, it doesn't mean that I'm gonna take a winning chase. Okay, it can be a losing chase or it can be blow up. Okay. What is your entry model? ICT concept. How many times do I have to tell you? If you watch my stream, you will know. Are you crazy for seeing longs? No, you're not. You see this wick, right? This wick sweep sell side equity and touch the midpoint of this annual. Also, the candle body is in the upper part of this 1 hour average, but like there's not enough confirmation yet, and we are nah. I mean, I will pass. I'm gonna pass for this. I don't even know which the cripple should I target. I mean, maybe this one. If I take a long, I probably target this one. This will be the cripple I target if I take a long here. This one, only this one, not even here. Because this is the only one I would say is safe. Yeah, so no. If you take a Che after live, then you have to do giveaway. Giveaway will be 1 winning Che plus 120 likes. Okay, we need to increase the target every week. Do you guys want me to go to the Performance TV again? because the time is different, right? It's gonna be 4 to, I don't know, no, 5:30 to 6:30, I guess. Yes, please come over to PM. What do you mean by come over? Are you like PMF staff or something? All right, so it's 5:30 to 7. Let me take a look. Ah, love some banter. I see. No, I'm just afraid of like, because we only trade the London Q zone, which is 2 to 5, right? But like that one is gonna start at 5, which is the Q zone is finished. So it's gonna be hard for me to take any chase after the Q zone. So that is something that I am concerning. But if it's just chit chat or banter, it's totally fine, of course. Lucy success withdrawal from 23rd, but bank still not received today. Normal. You need to ask your bank, right? Because I use Wise, so I withdraw those money from work market to my Wise account. It takes 1 day, so probably something's wrong with your bank. You only trade inside Q zone. For further account, yes. Does Apex deny payout anymore? I didn't see them deny any payouts. If something like that happen, you know, it's gonna be all over Twitter. So obviously there's no such thing. Yes, you just have to input your Wise account details, like your USD account details, into the work market. Apex approved instantly, but they send it a week later. Yes, they are slow for paying out. You know, my first time getting payout from Apex, it took me 18 days to get the payout. 18. But I get it. I mean, I did get it. So they didn't deny payout or reject you or what. You just have to wait. I mean, there's nothing I can do with that. I mean, because they approve it and they are selling out those money. So Just wait. Which platforms we can use to get funds from Apex? They use Plain, right? I don't know if they change it or not. But like when I was trading with Apex, they use Plain, so just have to enter your bank account details on Plain. Yeah, Apex alone to have delays payout. Yeah, exactly. Right now, they still got the 90% off. All right, so since they have end of day drawdown, EOD drawdown right now, I just don't see any reason not to use it. So no more payout denials. No, the MAE rule. I think the MAE is like the negative 30% drawdown. Is that the MAE rule? No 5-1 risk reward rule. 50% consistency. This is crazy, man. I was trading with 30%. Anything changed? Still the same like last week, isn't it? 50K. 69. Yeah, just the same. 50K intraday trader fade. 25 bucks for eval, 70 for activation. End of day 35 for eval. What is that? 120 for activation. Pretty good. Oh, I want to trade those 20 accounts again, for real. Well. Should we get a loan or something? But we are so close here. Let me think. No. Sorry. I just decided not to take a long position here. The activation fee, yeah, it was crazy. I was paying 140 for the activation fee in the past too. So right now it's just so cheap. You hate the consistency in front of. I think 50% is okay. Is acceptable. Do you like 50K or well? If you're trading with Apex, just use 50K. I mean, unless they got some promotion. Sometimes they will have some promotion. It's like you can get 300K with the same price as 50K. Well, at that time you can try the 300K. If not, then just use the 50K because you're gonna trade with them with 20 accounts. So 20 accounts, that is a lot of money compared to those 5 accounts. So we just better choose the easiest one. You ever got 20 accounts with Apex? What kind of question is that? You crazy? Yes, of course. I always trade 20 accounts with Apex. Well, at that time, I actually got 40 accounts every time. 20 accounts is those I'm trading currently, and then the other 20 will be my backup accounts. So I don't have to wait to get those accounts back if I blow up. But of course, I need to pay extra for that because I have to pay for them each month. At that time, they got monthly recurrent. But right now, you don't have that anymore, right? If you blow up, you can just reset it. How to manage compounding on 50K. First, use Cook Candy on APAS. And then you just pass it one by one. When I'm passing with eval, because that was intraday challenge at that time, so I don't copy trade them for eval. I'll just pass it like one by one. And then when I get to further stage, there's still an intraday challenge phase I need to get rid of. It's around $2,000. So I also trade them one by one. After I get rid of the intraday challenge, so it's become static, right? Then I will copy trade them. But if you're using end of day drawdown, EOD drawdown right now, I don't think you need to worry about that. You can just link it all. Do you recommend APAS or Lucid better? Well, that depends on what you're targeting. Like, yeah. Are you new to prop firms? Try Lucid first. Just max out Lucid first. And then use those payout to invest on trading with APAS. Because when you're trading with APAS, you should trade 20 accounts at once. You shouldn't just buy one account first and see if I can get a payout and get a second. If you trade with APAS, you have to start with 20 accounts. So if you can't afford the cost yet, then you should use Lucid first and get yourself some payout, some income to support trading with APAS. I buy it one at a time. I don't know if they can buy 20 accounts at once right now. You're not new but keep losing. Then what? Do you know what is the reason of losing? Do you backtest your strategy? So you need to backtest your strategy first and see what is your FH win rate and risk reward ratio, and what time period is best for a strategy. Yeah, of course that's not financial advice, okay? That's not financial advice. But yeah, you should just backtest your strategy first. Wow, it's just it's 1 hour. We are still here. Oh my god. See? After 60 minutes, we're still here with this range. Come on. I just feel like it's gonna be the same as last week. Today that we got a consolidation. Today is the day. Tracy has terrible feels. Why are you using Tracy? Just use TraderVay and NinjaTrader. Oh, your short is coming. But it didn't close below the CE, right? Still just wick, just only a wick. What is the best performance besides Apex? Take Profit Trader, TPT, for sure. Nothing beats the daily payout. And you know, in TPT, when you reset your eval, it only takes $100. Because, for example, like Tradify, Lucid, when you reset it, it's like the original price, right? It's pretty much the same. If I'm trading with like 150K on Tradify and I want to reset it, it's over $200. But in TPT, no matter what account size you're trading with them, all reset only costs $100. Just it saves you a lot of money. How does TPT daily compare to Tradify daily Select? You don't have payout cap on TPT, no daily loss limit. Because I'm using Select account on Tradify too, but I'm not choosing the daily, but chose the flex. There's a reason for that, right? When you don't have payout cap from one platform, you can make a lot of money. Just think about that. If you get 10K today, tomorrow you can take it out. TPT won't allow the Philippines. It's time to get yourself a visa. Well, as I know, it's not hard to get a Thailand visa, right? If you get yourself a passport or ID card from other countries, you can trade with a lot of platforms. For example, UAE, right? If you get yourself a Emirates ID, and you can trade with a lot of platforms. You don't have to be a citizen of that country. You just get yourself an ID card, which I mean legally, okay? You get it legally, like applying it with the government. Oh, come on, keep chopping here. Another barcode section. You have not researched TPT properly? Yeah, you definitely have to try them. Well, you can take a look here. So this is Take Profit Trader. 50K is $100. 150K, $200. But when you take the reset, it's gonna be $100. And you can trade 15 contracts on 150K and 6 contracts on 50K, which in Tradify and Lucid, it's gonna be 4 contracts on 50K and 12 contracts on 150K. $40% off with code Candice. But I usually only trade TPT during New York session because they don't have payout cap. They don't have consistency rule on their front end accounts. So I can aim for more. Because like if I got 10K a day in Lucid or Tradify, I mean, I got payout cap for each payout cycle. I can't get it all out. But on TPT, I can. That's why I will focus on NY session with TPT and use the Tradify or Lucid with this London session. Man, seriously, even if you're in a short position, that it sucks. Like, it just keep rechasing. I would hate holding any position here. ESOP on the capital letters. Is it 90%? On funded, it's 80%, but once you get to Pro Plus, which is the live stage, you will get 90% profit speed. So probably you get one payout from your funded account, you will get moved to live stage. That is like the current case for most new traders with TPT. Well, you can just search it on Twitter. I think a lot of people are trading with them and get moved to live just with one payout, which is a good thing with TPT because you can earn more, right? Oh, is it going to your target? What is your target, Ray? You shorted from higher up. Oh, cool. Good. I mean, this is HRLL. I don't like trading with this condition. Hey, Netflix, is that Netflix? Anti-flex? You know, the chat require you to change it to no more capital letters. Can you do that? How did you put your day and pair name? Oh, this one. Just use this AGFX watermark, this indicator. First target is 390. Well, but for real, I don't regret not taking this short because, like, well, I'm gonna be fuck up. For real, I'm gonna be fuck up with this choppy. So, no chase is better than losing chase, I guess. Is AMP better or Ninja? Of course, Ninja Trader better. Sorry, chat, today we don't get anything here. I hope you get your profit. 8 p.m. low. Where is 8 p.m. low? You mean the HLO? Man, the chat is winning again. I didn't get anything today. See, you guys are better traders than me. You've been trading long time, but no day trading. So you're doing swing trading? Ah. So just, if you are not familiar with day trading, you probably should practice it first. Just don't hold your position for too long. Aim for 20 to 30 points, just like what we did in London session. I mean, if you can target 20 to 30 points every day, every session, you'll be rich. You don't have to be rich for trading 100 points. I mean, if you know the market is choppy and we keep getting retracement, then why are you still, have to aim for a larger range? You can just, for example, if you take a shot here, price get to here and sweep this sell side, you can already close the position, right? But if you want to hold the price, then you have to get through all this retracement. So it's up to you. Do you want to hold with the retracement, or do you want to close the position here? Because if you close here with this wick, with this sell side, it's a winning trade. You get your profit. Hit your stop loss? How come? Oh, you check your stop loss. What kind of strategy for 40 points? What do you mean? We trade ICT concepts. And yeah, we're ICT traders community. So if you want to look for it, you can search Inner Circle Trader on YouTube. Man, this sucks. Like, imagine if you're holding a trade and it's just 3 points to a TP and then price retrace back to this CB. Oh, you trade CFD, really? Why don't you trade futures? Especially on indices. Like, you got huge spread on NQ or ES on CFD. Well, if you short from here, it's gonna be 40 points. But if you short from here, yeah, it's 40 points also. So it takes you lots of time for 40 points. Are we trading today? Well, I would like to know too. What do you think I'm doing here? I'm looking for trades, but I didn't see anything. I just, nothing I want to risk. Not even random trades, for real. You guys know I am not afraid of taking losing trades, right? So if I think there's a chance to get something, even, well, it's gonna be a loss, it's gonna turn into a loss, I will still take it. But like, I didn't see anything here. You're looking for a long setup here? I'm not so sure. I mean, we are quite bearish with the current range, so I'm not so sure if it's good to look for long setup though. Wow, but like right now I take a look to the votes again. It's still 50% choosing bullish. So you guys really want to take a long, huh? Have you taken all the trade on Lucid account on stream? I think only the first day, because the first day, what was it? What happened on the first day? Oh, the first day I trade my personal account on stream. And other than that, all trades are taken on stream. You trying to attend regularly? Yes. Come on in. Thank you, gamer. We're doing regular stream here every day. Whoa, it's going up again. Let me see if we can get anything at 3:30. Because I realized we got something at 4 quite often recently. Gamble trading again, you long. Wow. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. I didn't see anything yet. Trust me, I really want to take a trade because I have to, for TradeFi account, if I want to take 5,000, like the max payout cap for each payout cycle for 150K is 5,000, right? But I need to, it also need to be 50% of those profit in the current payout cycle. So that means I need to get myself to 10K for the account balance in order to take 5,000. So right now I only got 1,800 on each. I still got a long way to go. I didn't show it to you, I think. That is what I got. This is Trade Sinker. So these 5 accounts are my Trade 500 accounts, and this is the account balance, which can be brought up any day. and didn't take any trade yet today. Nothing for today. Are you planning to do the same as you did with Lucid with other firms? What did I do with Lucid? After you pass 50K event on Lucid, what do you recommend for sizing or risk? Well, it depends on your risk tolerance. Everyone is different. Like, what can you afford to lose on each trade? It can be $50, it can be $500. So everyone's different. Do you need to pay tax to Dubai? Yes, there is tax here. So, but I mean, if you fulfill the criteria, it can be 0%. So it depends, like, if you can fulfill the criteria or not. But usually you can get it. Do you have a tool to copy trades between your accounts? What do you mean? I just showed you. I use Trade Syncer, okay? Trade Syncer is the trade copier I use to copy with different platforms and accounts. You can take a look on the official website. And you can use code CANDY for 10% off. They get a free trial for 7 days, so after you sign up for Trade Syncer and you try all the functions, and 7 days after 7 days you feel like that's not something you're looking for, you can just simply cancel it. They won't charge you anything because there's free trial. No trade today, not yet, man. I mean, what are you expecting me to do with this choppy and with this Asia expansion? Seriously, like it's not even half of this range, right? With the Asia session. But we already know that before the stream start, we know that. Do you ever show your face on Twitter? Yeah. You use trade copy. I don't like that. I tried that one before. I don't like it. So I go back to Trade Syncer. And also I use Replicanto sometimes. How's the food at Dubai? Just don't try any Japanese cuisine. You cry. You cry when you get into any Japanese restaurant. You want to cry. Right now I'm trading the Tradify accounts, so like I'm trying to take a trade on it. So if I can get a payout from Tradify, it will be the same. And I also got my profit target on Lucid, so 2 days later I will get my payout. Man, I'm so boring right now. It's been 1.5 hours. Nothing happens. The best Japanese food you ever had was in London and Singapore. Man, I doubt that. I heard that there's no such thing as delicious food in the UK. Sorry if I'm anyone from the UK, but that is what I heard. There is good food though. Rachel, I saw you. British food is bad. Oh, I see. So, like, other cuisines are okay with that. It seems like we got so many British here. Really. Scotland. Well, how's the weather? How's the weather in summer, in the UK? If it's good, I can plan a trip to UK maybe in August, because August Dubai will be fucking hot. So I have to go to somewhere. So right now I'm planning on like choosing a country to stay a while during August. You're in Lisbon. Oh, you want me to go to Lisbon? I think I can. Let me check. I don't know if I can stay for 1 month in Lisbon. Let me check. I know I can stay for 6 months in UK, so I don't have to worry about that. Oh yeah, I can stay up to 90 days. So I can go to Lisbon, huh? Okay, another bearish candles again. See if he's gonna hit this or HLO. August gets very hot. August in UK can be 20 degrees Celsius briefly to 40. Really? But do you guys have aircon? Because I heard that there's no aircon in some of the buildings. Because you guys mostly got the, what is it called? The warm, I don't know what that's called. And golden visa in UAE is not a passport. That is a visa. That is different, all right? No aircon. August, the hottest month in England. Oh, come on. But I can, like, let me think. No aircon, that sucks. Is it okay to use foreign Q to pass lucid fast? Of course, it's okay. I mean, if you calculated everything, your drawdown buffer and your target, then yeah, of course. It's not too high risk. It's eval. I mean, it's not fund account. You can do whatever you want on eval. All modern places have aircon in England. Why we got so many British here? Okay, okay. London session, why so many British? Really, is so funny. So if I go to London in August, like, is there any areas you guys recommend me to stay, like, which is safe? Like, because I heard of the criminal rate is quite high in some specific areas. Don't trust the fake news. To come to Macau, why? I've been to Macau so many times. Okay, so I will do some research on those places because I have no idea what that is. Oh, really? Okay. So seems like the reviews from all of you is quite good. Your short workout, yes, but for real, I still don't want to hold this position. I mean, it's been 1.5 hours since we start the session. It's still here. But yes, a win is a win, right? Congratulations for whoever took the short. I saved myself some mental capital. Canary Roof. Isn't it like a financial hub something? Why would I go to Africa? How's the emotional damage? Well, I still think about it during weekend. Believe it or not, for real. I mean, like, I still think about that missing Angie. You see, losing trades didn't cost me anything. Like, I forget all my losing trades, but for that one that I missed the perfect Angie, oh, it hurts. Use a visa more than one time in Europe. You know, my original plan was when I moved to London so I can travel to different Europe countries or town every 2 weeks. That was my original plan. But then I changed my plan and moved to Dubai. So, that's it. You always remember that one. Oh my god, no, don't do that. My trade on Friday went all the way to all-time high. Oh, that's great. That means the narrative is correct, right? At least, even though I can make like most of the money, I think only 25% of the move, or 50. No, not even 50. I think 25%. Hey, I'm back. London is great for visiting and not to live. Really? Oh wow, price didn't even hit this. It's like one tick, right? That is crazy. One tick away from the current price. Current liquidity pool. Come to Hong Kong? You kidding me? I tried so hard to stay away from Hong Kong. You tell me to come to Hong Kong again. You kidding me? You know why am I get to trading? Like why do I even start trading? Learning trading? It's because I want to stay away from Hong Kong. You've been living there for 15 years. I guess you're expat or something. Yeah, there are a lot of traders in Hong Kong. Of course. After all, it's a financial hub too. Man. Do you speak Mandarin? Yeah, of course. Oh my god, I'm so boring. I mean, I can speak Mandarin, but like my first language is Cantonese. What should we do now, chat? I mean, I can't get into any chase. Do you trade your session? Yes. I trade. Not every day. We need to get some haters here. Come on. Derek, we need more acting, more drama for price to move. But I'm not in trade. I don't know what to add. Like, if I'm in a trade, I can add like more emotional or something like that. I should put some emojis here. This one. This is what I feel right now. I think we'll wait until 4 a.m. and if we didn't get anything at that time, then yeah, that would stop the stream. $40 range since 3 a.m. Yes, exactly. But there will be days like this. You have to be patient. I want to go skydiving in Dubai because they finally open again. It's like in the past few weeks, we got missile attack all the time, so it was cold. But I guess it's not quite good to do it during summer because it's too hot here, and you know we need to fall from the sky. So I better wait for a better weather. What do you think? Should I do skydiving or bungee jump? Which one is better? Do you guys try it before? Drone at test, no idea for skydiving. Yeah, maybe wait for autumn. Do both? Yeah, good idea. Good idea. I will do the skydiving first. It feels like it's less scarier than the bungee jump. Because like with bungee jump you will be bouncing. Right, when you get to the you not just go straight to the floor. I mean you're gonna be bouncing a few times. Should you move from Canada to Dubai? But I heard that like when you leave Canada, you need to pay for exit tax. like if you want to not to become a Canada tax resident anymore, you need to pay for something. And that is huge amount. Because I did study about Canada. So after I see this thing, I was like, oh, no, thank you. Do you see any young families in Dubai? I wonder if it's an okay place to raise kids. Yeah, lots of kids here. I mean, it depends on your district, your area, the neighborhood. But here in my neighborhood, it's kids everywhere. And we get a lot of international schools here. All right, 5 more minutes to 4 a.m. We'll see if we got anything else. Oh, yeah, I saw that too. The Turkey news, right? No tax for overseas income, right? But I already got that in Dubai and Hong Kong. So that's not something new to me. That is the benefit that I'm getting since I was born. So it's not attractive at all. Pakistan, nobody pay taxes there. Oh, really? But you know, in August there will be it's summer holiday for most of the schools, right? So it can be a lot of tourists everywhere. I guess I would choose London or Lisbon, either of these, or maybe Hong Kong. But I didn't learn. I don't have time to learn Portuguese yet. New Zealand. Wait, New Zealand is terrible. Anyone is still in a position right now, no matter it's long or short? Oh, a lot of people enter long. Yeah, this is terrible, PA. I agree with you. Well, it's 4 a.m. now. Let's see if we got anything with this. You hope me bought beers? No, I'm sober right now. Well, nothing. Real sucks. Sucks, PA. I think I will try to take a trade after the stream. Probably pre-NY or NY Open. Just didn't see anything right now. Very boring today. Well, Chap, I hope you enjoy it, because I don't enjoy it. Well, but I think I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time. I hope we can get something nice tomorrow, because today sucks. Yeah, I hope tomorrow we don't get large Asia range. Oh. We got a burst candle. But yeah, we've been stuck in this range. Well, we did expect it, but still. Yeah, appreciate you. I appreciate everyone who come to the stream today and share your insights, your life with me. I hope to see you tomorrow again here, 2 a.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. All right? Goodbye, everyone.